purportedly top-secret drone developed by the U.S. Navy, resembling a manta ray, which has been reportedly spotted on Google Maps. This drone, designed for stealthy underwater reconnaissance and surveillance missions, draws inspiration from the natural movements and shape of a manta ray, known for its efficiency in underwater navigation. The drone's design and capabilities are tailored to enhance its operational effectiveness in monitoring underwater infrastructure, tracking submarines, and conducting surveillance in maritime environments. The use of a biomimetic design, mimicking the manta ray's sleek profile, is intended to optimize stealth and maneuverability. Biomimetic design involves drawing inspiration from nature to solve human problems and create innovative technologies. By studying biological systems, engineers and designers can mimic the structures, functions, and processes found in nature to develop products that are more efficient, sustainable, and adaptive to their environments. An excellent example of biomimetic design in the USA is the development of Velcro. Velcro was inspired by the way birds stick to clothing and fur. Swiss engineer George de Mestral observed how burrs had small hooks that attached to the loops in fabric and fur. He then replicated this mechanism using synthetic materials, creating the hook and loop fastener system we know as Velcro. In aerospace, another example is the development of wing designs inspired by bird flight. Engineers have studied the aerodynamics of birds, like eagles and falcons, to improve aircraft wing shapes for better lift, reduced drag, and improved maneuverability. In the context of drones, biomimetic designs such as the manta ray-inspired underwater surveillance drone developed by the U.S. Navy, as discussed earlier, demonstrate how mimicking the shape and movements of marine animals can enhance the drone's stealth, agility, and efficiency, enabling the drone to operate covertly underwater. The presence of this drone on Google Maps suggests potential inadvertent exposure of classified military technology. This raises concerns about security breaches and the inadvertent disclosure of sensitive information related to military operations and capabilities. Nature-inspired designs are being leveraged to develop next-generation surveillance and reconnaissance capabilities in maritime environments.